Hey guys, it's Kiki here, and today I have another video where this time I'm going to do a little experiment to see if something's going to work. So stay tuned and I'll tell y'all. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying to make slime, which is interesting because I don't know what I'm doing at all. So I'm going to try to make it with the Elmer's glue and some detergent that I have that I use because I'm in a dorm, need lots of detergent and washing my clothes. So let's get started and let's go to the video. So now I'm gonna lower you down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so see my cheer shirt. So yeah. So I have a bowl of little plastic fork to mix it, and I have the Elmer's glue and the detergent, which I'm gonna get a little bit. That on the floor. Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna put some glue in here. Okay, I think that's enough. Put that much. It's about a little more than half. It's about right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of detergent and mix it up. Oh my gosh, this is working. Oh my goodness. Okay. No. Okay, so I'm gonna go wash my hands because I think this detergent is making my hands itch very badly. So I'll see you guys in a second. So I don't know what happened, but the back of my hand started itching and they're kind of red, especially this one. I don't know if I can see, it's red right there. It was way redder when I washed it. So I don't know why when I was kneading it, it made the back of my hands itch fairly badly. And I think I already have like allergy stuff because that happens fairly often. So I think I might have an allergy in here, like the detergent or the glue or something. So I took up my allergy medicine just in case, because yeah, I don't know. But yeah, so this is fairly successful, even though I can't knead it in my hands. If I had tried slime again, probably gonna wear gloves. But it's cool but so weird. It's like thick, and it's awesome. That's just how you describe it. It's awesome. But yeah, so that's that, and I guess I'm done. So please like, please subscribe, comment, tell me what you like, what you don't like. If you don't like my videos, dislike them. It's okay. Everyone has their opinion. And like, put in the comments if you want me to do vlogs, because as I know, oops, I can't with this. as as you may know, I'm at a boarding school, and I think that'll be interesting to vlog about and let other people get insight on my school, which is ASMSA, saying forwards and backwards. Why? That's not backwards. I'm gonna show you. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll see you guys in my next video, which won't take as long to come out as this one did. And I'll see you guys.